Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU Actuary. And here's the problem for today for exam FM on financial mathematics. Kimberly is told she can receive a $250,000 death benefit from her husband's life insurance in annual installments of $25,000 at the beginning of each year for 11 years and a final payment of $16,265 at the beginning of the 12th year. Alternatively, Kimberly may receive annual installments of $13,000 at the beginning of each year for life with a certain period of 10 years. Calculate the present value of a 10-year deferred life annuity due of 1 per annum at Kimberly's issue age. And here's the solution. So this first arrangement that is talked about is that the amount of $250,000 now is equivalent to an annuity due of $25,000 paid over 11 years plus a single payment of $16,265 at time 11 at a yet unknown interest rate. We denote that interest rate by I and its corresponding discount factor by V, where of course V is 1 over 1 plus I. Then what we have is this equation that you see here, which says that 250,000 is equal to 25,000 A double dot angle 11 at that unknown interest rate plus 16,265 times V to the 11th. Now A double dot, the annuity, so 25,000 is paid at the beginning of the 11th year, which is at time 10. So it's 25,000. First payment from the 11-year annuity due, plus 25,000 times A angle 11, plus 16,265 minus 25,000 times V to the 11th. Now we subtract 25,000 from both sides, and what we get is 225,000 is equal to 25,000 A angle 11 minus 8735 times V to the 11th. And interpret it as a form of the Frank formula for the value of a bond. The price of a bond is equal to FR A angle 11 plus K. And if we do this, we have this expression. Then we can actually use a financial calculator to solve this for the interest rate I. The price is 225,000, coupon is 25,000, and the redemption value is negative 8735. In BA2 Plus Pro, you can enter 225,000 for present value, 8735 for future value, not negative because the calculator treats the value entered as a balance of a loan to be paid off, a negative quantity, and if you entered the negative quantity, the calculator would effectively consider it to be an asset. And then 25,000 for the payment, 11 for N, and compute IY. And this gives I to be 3%. Knowing this interest rate allows us to use the information about the alternative arrangement, the second one, for Kimberly to write the following equation, with X denoting the present value of the 10-year deferred life annuity due, payment of that annuity. 250,000 is equal to 13,000 A double dot angle 10 at 3%, plus 13,000 times X, which is the present value of a 10-year deferred life annuity due of 13,000 per annum. So this is really 13,000 times A double dot angle 10 at 3% plus X. Well, we solve for X from this, and we get 10.44, which is answer E. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.